Hi guys, Debbie here. How are we doing? How was your Christmas? Hope you all had a great time. So I'm going to do a card today. And because I didn't have this kind of stencil I wanted, I've cut my own from this cover plate die. And then just stuck it over a piece of card on the top. Okay. So I've chose my colours today. They are pink raspberry, ripe persimmon, mustard seed, twisted citron, mermaid lagoon and shaded lilac. So we're literally just gonna do some blending. So first colours first is your picked raspberry. Hold it down. You can choose whatever colours you want, whatever cover plate you want. You don't have to do the same as what I've got. Just some alternatives when you haven't got the stencils. Okay, and slowly up there. And then white persimmon next. This one is leaking constantly. No matter what I do, it seems to just leak. Not to worry. Okay, next. Just, oh, yes, don't need to be doing that. So I might have to come down further than I wanted to, but not to worry. Baby wipe. I have to give this one a good old clean, this ink. It's as if it's been stored upside down, where it hasn't. Okay, bring back the picked raspberry for a sec. And just blend that in. Get down and try and cover that boo-boo up. Yeah, I think this one will be taken up to the kitchen and given a good old clean, I think. Anyway, stay there for now. It's gone everywhere. Right, where was we? Okay, mustard seed. Okay. Did you all get any goodies? Happy goodies for Christmas? I got my new iPhone 16 Pro. Love my gorgeous hubby. And other bits and bobs, shelves for my new craft space, because I've been moving craft rooms from the living room to my own little craft room. Not got everything in here yet, but we're getting there. Okay, next is your twisted citron. Okay, just blend down and up. A little bit more. Come back in with your mustard seed and just blend it in. And mermaid lagoon. The same again. Bring it down and take it up. And then your shaded lilac. Same again, down. And then up. A very light colour this one, so just to grab a bit more. Plus all my brushes have been cleaned, so there's no ink on them whatsoever at the moment. Okay, move them out of the way. Like those. Now for the favourite part, my reveal. There you go. And of course, you can keep your cutout and keep it and use it another time for your stencil. Just an easy way to make your own. Okay, so let's take it off the grip mat. And just want to trim that down slightly. Just so I can cut off those edges that we didn't make with the stencil. Oops. Okay, and then have your card base. It's a little bit big for what I want, so I'll just give it a quick trim down. And if we want to go there, need to cut roughly to there. Okay, now we just got to glue it on. Of course, I need to find some glue. 2 secs, guys. I'm back, as I said, in the middle of moving rooms, so things are all over the place at the moment. Okay, let's add some glue. Oh yeah, my new glue arrived, which is good. Makes life a lot easier. Not that I've really had a chance to try it, because I haven't made any cards. Okay, put that on there. Okay, I think we'll do a birthday card. So, yeah, I think that looks nice. I know that seems a bit odd, but I like to pull it through that way, and then if anything's going to tear, it'll tear this bit and not your watered itself. Excuse me. Let's get a pokey tool. Poke our bits out. And gently. This is a very thin die cut. And gently bring it through. You can hear a little pitter patter of feet. That's Teddy, the little doggy, seeing what his mum's doing, because he's used to me being up in the living room with him, and I'm now down in the craft room, which he's not too sure about. Okay, so what I want to do is put that there, but I want to colour. Do I? I don't. Yeah, actually. In the bin. Just quickly wipe that up so it doesn't go everywhere. Right, now I want to lift this up, so I need some double-sided tape. A zig pen. Okay. And tweezers. And put your letter down first and get it straight and aligned. Okay. Hold it down. Let's give it a second to dry off. And we'll quickly just wipe our mat down just while that's drying. Okay, so make sure you've got the right way around. Choose where you want it. So that just about matches in. I've got my T-ruler. Excuse me. Remove your release tape. Okay, so I want that to line in with the yellow at the top. A little bit further down. There you go. Okay. There you have it. There's another one completed. What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon some embellishments? Okay, I'll do the embellishments off camera and you'll see it in the photos. Thanks, guys. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.